Hey, Brian Sensei here. Have you ever wanted to create your own graphics or edit your own images using a free online app? Well, guess what? You can do just that with Adobe Express. Let's check it out. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is open our favorite internet browser. And we're going to type in adobe.com/express. All right, check this out. Get Adobe Express free. That's right. This is a free app that you can use. Free use forever. No credit card required. That is what I'm talking about. Let's go get Adobe Express free. All right, once we're here, we're going to set up our account. Make your selection to get going. All right, so once you are logged in, you're going to see the landing page here where you can get started creating multimedia. You can either select categories up here, or you can get started using your own content by uploading, or you can select formats here such as Instagram, Square, a flyer, an Instagram story, TikTok video, logo, Facebook post, and it goes on and on and on. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and create an Instagram Square post. Now, I can either create from scratch or browse the templates that they have. Let's go ahead and browse their templates. Okay, so here we can scroll down and browse all of the Instagram templates. And I want to call something out here. You'll notice on some of these templates, you'll see this little crown icon. What that means is that you have to have the premium subscription in order to use those templates. So right now I'm staying with the free subscription. So I'm going to look for a free template here. And, I need to make an Instagram post for Brian Sensei's School of Rock. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. So I'm going to choose this one. This is a back to school template. Let's go ahead and check this out. All right, so we have a nice design here. We have a student in the picture. But what's great about this is we can click on these elements and we can change the text. Look at that. We could even change the font type if we want, and we can change the colors and all kinds of things. Border thickness, really cool options here. I can also move these elements around. Let's say I want to move these two pieces. I'm going to go ahead and select them and drag and drop. Now, I want to use this again. I can go ahead and copy and paste this just by using my keyboard shortcuts, Control-C and Control-V, and double-click to edit the text. All right, so this is looking good so far. Now, you'll notice that some elements are hidden behind other objects. So for example, this object I cannot see because it's behind this shape. So if I drag it out here, you'll see it, it's a little star. If I want to bring that to the front, I need to work with the layers, and you'll find those off here to the right. So these are all the objects on the page there. And we can see when we click and highlight an object, it also highlights it over here on the right. Now, the order of these objects is this one at the very top is on the top of the stack. The ones down below are going to be on the bottom. So if you want to bring something to the front, just drag it up to the top of the list. Now that star should be visible. However, it's actually the same color as the shape. So all we have to do now is change the color over here. And there we go. We can now see that little star. Okay, and down here, I'm going to change the website address. And we'll make this a little wider so that we can get the text on one line. There we go. And we can also click on a text box and move this around. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is change this image here of the student because this is a student attending a standard school. I need a student who is part of the School of Rock, a student with an instrument. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that out of there. And now we're going to search for an image. I'm going to come over here to the media option, and this is where I could either upload a photo from my device, or I can use generative AI and use text to image. Let's try this out. All right, here I need to choose what image size I want. In this case, I sort of want a portrait size 3x4. So I'll select that. And now all I have to do is describe the picture that I want. In this case, a picture of a student holding an electric guitar. Hit generate down below, and let's see what we get. And boom, shakalaka. Check this out. We have 4 options here. Wow, these all look cool. I like all of these. But I'm going to go ahead and grab this one, and we can move it around, place it where we want it, make it larger. Now, the other thing we might want to do is remove the background in this picture, right? Because I already have a background for my image here. So I'm going to go ahead and come up here, scroll up to the top, and I'm going to go back one. Now look at this. These are our settings for this image. And look at this, remove background, easy as one click. Boom shakalaka, no more background. All right, let's make this a little bit larger and move it into place. And there we go. I like this. This is a very nice graphic that took me just a couple of minutes to design and create. Now I can go up here to download at the top right, and I can download this to my computer and save it and use it on Instagram or other places on my website, wherever I'd like to share it with my audience. All right, and that is how you get started with Adobe Express. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. It doesn't cost you anything to do this, and it will help me keep my channel going. Also, if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.